guys, welcome to Home by Caitlin. Subscribe, like, and comment below. If you enjoyed the video, I'm gonna go ahead and do some home product reviews, and this is the one that I'm starting with today. It's Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach. I'm gonna be using it in the shower. As you can see, the shower has some mold and I wanted to get it off. You know, life gets busy and we all go about our days and then forget about small things like that, and it's time to clean the shower. So first product I'm going to review is going to be the Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach. It erases mold and mildew stains, and it says it clings 2.5% longer, and that would be longer than Tilex mold and mildew remover. I'm sorry. So this is a bleach, and it comes out as foam once you spray it, and it cleans by penetrating foam thoroughly, erases mold and mildew stains, and cleans soap scum easily. It shines by leaving a brilliant white shine behind, and it works on multiple surfaces. The one that I'm going to use today is going to be the bath. So it works on tubs, showers, basins, stainless steel, chrome, fiberglass, plastic, and vinyl. And it says to not use it for a long time on metal or porcelain, and not to use it on wood, painted surfaces, marble, or aluminum, as you know it will penetrate it, and to avoid contact with clothes, fabrics, carpets, or paper surfaces to avoid discoloration. And make sure you always spot test before you do any of the products, even the ones that I'm going to review. Directions are to turn the nozzle to the on. Nozzle's here. You're going to turn it. This is the off position, and I have it on currently. And then you're going to spray 6 to 8 inches, so let me show you that. So here you can see the mold that's in the shower. I'm going to go ahead and spray it like it says, 6 to 8 inches away. And you can see there's some scum in there, and us girls have a lot of hair, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. And spray this here, because that's dirty. And then it says next, it says to allow it to penetrate the dirt, soap, scum, and mildew stains. Wipe with a wet cloth or sponge, and then rinse with water. So we're gonna wait a few minutes, and then we're gonna wipe it. Okay, so we're gonna go out. Oh, you can already see the difference. We're gonna go here and wipe like it says to wipe the mold. I wear gloves just because of the bleach. Wow. I completely took all that away. Wipe that away. And be careful not to let your clothes touch any of the bleach as well. Okay, look at the difference already. This is some rust stains from previous times. Wow. Look at that difference. And up here. It's always hard to get water stains off, but there's other ways that can be done. Alright, so now it says to rinse it. Go ahead and grab the water cooler. Rinse that area off. I'm going to wipe it one more time and we'll see the difference. Wow, looks good. So we know Scrubbing Bubbles does do its job, and that's the Foam Bleach brand.